Welcome to this quick video on adding a top tip into your Scribe recording. So Scribe is a piece of software that I've been playing around with that you can use to record your steps and to create process and user guides really easily. And it picks up what you're doing, but sometimes you want to add in a little bit more information. And you can use things like top tips sections to add that in. So when you've recorded your Scribe, your walkthrough like I have here, I've got one on editing Google Sheets, then what you want to do to make changes and add things in is in the top right hand corner, you want to click on edit. And when you click on edit, you'll see you've got some options on the right hand side. Now yours might look a bit different if you've got the paid version. I'm currently just using the free version. But what you'll see in your steps on the left towards the middle is you've got these plus boxes in between and in front of each of your steps. And if I click on that, you can see you can add a few extra bits. You can add a new step in there. You can add a tip, which is what we're going to do. An alert, you can capture something, you can add a header, and you can also add a GIF for a bit more engagement and interactivity. But what we're going to do is add in a tip to this edit. And this is going to create a box for you, which is going to really stand out when you PDF or you share it in whatever way you want to. And you can see that it's just got the word tip in it. But what I can do in just add in a nice little top tips about Google Sheets. And what you can see on the right hand side there is I've got a few extra options. I can add some imagery in. I can obviously delete this if I've added it and actually I don't really want it in there. And I've also got 3 dots as well. If I click, I can duplicate step and I can even copy a link to a step. So if I just click away from that, what I've done now is I've just added in a little bit of extra information that wasn't captured when I went through the process and Scribe recorded me, but it'll also be really, really nice in there. So once I'm done, I click on done editing in the top right hand corner and you can see there right at the top, I've got my top tip. So if you want to add extra things in there, add reminders, make important things stand out in your Scribes when you've recorded them, then go ahead and add in a really nice top tip. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.